Cruise by Mandy on board Allure of the Seas. This is the second formal night of the week. And you know what? Is it Adi?
Adi.
Adi.
Indonesia, Bali.
Adi from Bali. He is a server here. He's taking care of us here in the Rising Tide bar. I think this is my favorite bar on board the ship. I love people watching. It goes up and down. I watched him press the buttons, and I thought it was magical, and he thought I was crazy, but he won't say that because, you know, he's on his good behavior. But anyway, just a quick glance of the nightlife here on the semi-formal night. There's Michael Kors shop here and other shops. I did walk by the Coach store today. I found it again. It was on deck 8 on Central Park on the forward part of the ship. I promise I had not seen that store since I boarded on Sunday, and today is Wednesday, Thursday? I don't know what today is, Wednesday or Thursday. I've lost track of days. I just know I'm in Cozumel tomorrow, and I'm saving the sea turtles in the morning. One of the things I love about cruises is the live music. So many different venues on board cruise ships with live music, different styles. There's an entire deck just like this underneath us on deck 4. Deck 3 is where the conference center is. That's the boring deck. No, you don't want to go there. We also had the ice skating show there as well. But this is just a quick glimpse before I head to dinner. Tonight is lobster night. You always go for lobster night, whether you like lobster or not. It's just one of the traditions with cruising. And it's also birthday cake night. They are offering birthday cake for the Royal Korean 50th birthday. So, scan out here. So people are dressed up tonight. This is not the formal night. This is the semi-formal night. I rolled my hair, believe it or not. Boardwalk is way over there on deck 6 towards the aft. So that gives an idea as well. If my husband is watching, I am working very hard. I'm making sure I understand all aspects of the Oasis class of ships. And I can't get this thing to zoom out again. Oh, this is what I was going to show. I won't touch any buttons. I might get in trouble. So here's all the buttons. And what he did, he pushed 2 buttons on the bottom left. There was something and down. But I didn't touch anything. I was being really good. And I'm sure I could have asked. I'm sure I would be told no. So that's what controls the bar. Anyway, it is time for dinner. Don't want to be late. And looking up to deck 8 where we just came down from. You see the doors we entered. I don't know. Somewhere over there. This door. No, that's the door we entered from. CruiseByMandy signing off.